Colonel Grijaldo,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
di ba ang lokal po na police ang may responsibilidad na to maintain the peace in their area of jurisdiction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means that they have to be familiar with the place where they are assigned in order for them to be effective, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And which means that if anything happens in your area of jurisdiction, you have to be the one to investigate, just like what happened to the assassination of Colonel Barayuga, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, but there is a responsible investigation on case, Your Honor, to respond or to conduct investigation in event there is a crime incident, Your Honor.
So, as to the assassination of Barayuga, you were the one who is primarily responsible for investigating it. Is it not correct?
As part of my command responsibility, Your Honor, I'll take on supervision on my investigator on case for that demise of police Brigadier
I'm sorry, you
General
were the
Barayuga, Your
lead
Honor.
investigator?
There is a designated investigation on case, Your Honor. And I'm only supervising, and I could not intervene or influence my investigator on case for that incident, Your Honor.
So, you mean to say that you are still the supervisor of the investigator of that case?
Now, there is a we have a organizational chart, Your Honor, and there is a chief of investigation who is sole responsible on all the personnel under his supervision, which is the investigator on case or all investigator under his unit, Your Honor. And overall, in the police station, I am the police supervisor as the chief of police of that place, Your Honor.
When were you appointed as chief of police of Mandaluyong City?
July, on the month of July in that time, Your Honor, 2021 or 2021, Your Honor.
So you were already the chief of police during the assassination of Barayuga.
Yes, Your Honor.
How is this investigation started? How do you, such an assassination like what happened with Mr. Barayuga, how is the investigation started? Ano yung proseso po?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a radio call that there was a shooting incident that happened in that place. Immediately thereafter, we dispatched our personnel to conduct yung investigation or to go after of the to those perpetrators of the incident. I was in that place. I responded in that place also, Your Honor, and naabutan ko na lang, Your Honor, yung pick up tsaka yung isang victim on the passenger side, but the driver side was already evacuated as per the witnesses in that place, Your Honor. I myself immediately also go to look for any evidence or any thing that na baka may CCTV doon sa lugar, and we called up immediately yung SOCO para ma-preserve yung crime scene, Your Honor. Yun po yung ginawa namin that time, Your Honor.
So, can you repeat again who handled the investigation?
The duty investigator during that time, it was Police Executive Master Sergeant Punsalan, Your Honor.
And Police Executive Master Sergeant Punsalan reports to you as the Chief of Police.
What do you mean?
I mean that Punsalan is the investigator, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Immediately, pag dinispatch po natin kasi yung investigator natin, he will do his job as an investigator. And immediately, we have the duty officer. It was during that time, Your Honor, it was a COVID that time. And most of our personnel and the same, I myself was staying at the police station. I live in the police station that time. So, nakapag-responde kami and we have this duty SDO, Police Captain Villarta, who also taking charge to do his job that time. And after gathering some information, what transpired immediately was for us to make a spot report. Just 5/8 and 5W and 1/8 muna yung ginagawa natin. Just to, there is a timeline that we are beating in the Camp Crame, lalo na pagka mga high crimes. We need to have at least within 1 hour we can make a report, a spot report on 5W and 1/8 only statement. Then we do the progress report, Your Honor, depending on the progress of the investigation, Your Honor, done by the IOC, Your Honor, on the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Yes, but as the Chief of Police of Mandaluyong City, would it be correct to say that the buck stops with you? Which means na ikaw yung may final word sa investigation?
No, Your Honor. What the investigator have done, or ginawa niya, Your Honor, yung ginawa niya yung report. Kung ano yung niya, Your Honor, yun yung statement, Your Honor. I could not influence or give or to influence doon sa statement na gagawin niya. Kasi it will not make or we cannot
Pero
give justice doon sa investigation
Colonel
natin,
Grijaldo,
Your Honor.
paano ito natapos tong investigation na to?
Your Honor,
Sinong
on that
nagpasya na itigil yung investigation?
no, Your Honor, allow me, Your Honor, to elaborate further dun sa nangyari during the the incident happened July 30. On the next day, nagkaroon na ho tayo, sir, ng immediately thereafter, there is a creation of a Special Investigation Task Group or SITG, which is to unearth yung mga other evidences or sino yung madidiscover natin kung sino yung perpetrators that time of the incident. But nagkaroon ng consensus or consolidated effort with the district unit. So ang nag-assume ng overall control ng investigation is the SITG, Your Honor. And that time, I was just only a member of the SITG, Your Honor.
So yung nangyari, parang napunta na yung investigation sa SITG instead of sa iyo.
It's not me, Your Honor, to do the investigation. Just only the IOC, Your Honor, who is responsible. At the same time, Your Honor, it was carried on the SITG group. The investigator that time on the incident, the same investigator being appointed on the SITG, Your Honor.
Pero di ba ikaw yung office nyo yung nagsimula ng investigation, so pagkatapos nun, pinasa sa SITG or sa CIDG?
Pinasa namin, Your Honor, kung ano yung initial nagawa naming investigation. And the CIDG was then also a part of the SITG, Your Honor. The composition of the SITG is the IOC of the station. I myself also a member. The D7 or the DIDM, the District Investigation Detective Management Unit, the CIDG, the SOCO, the overall chair of the SITG, Your Honor, was the district operation, DRD. We call it the DDO, Your Honor, Deputy for Operation, Your Honor.
So, Colonel, kahit ikaw po yung nagsimula ng investigation,
Yes, Your Honor.
you were not the one who finished the investigation. That's what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor. It was because in SITD, Your Honor, there is a need to compose and to comply within the period of 6 months. If it is not been
Pero
sold,
tingin ko po, Colonel, na parang agad-agad na transfer yung investigation sa SITG. Is this correct?
no, Your Honor, it was the district director who take cognizance of the incident, Your Honor. So, as just a station commander, Your Honor, I yield to the wisdom of the district director.
So
that time,
you're
Your
saying that you did not terminate the investigation, but you yielded the investigation instead to the SITG.
The time, yes, Your Honor, there is a continuing effort on the station. I myself, together with other police officer, I give them tasks also to do some efforts. Like I send them to take some affidavits of the security guard on PCSO, the personnel working with General Barayuga and other witnesses. The vehicle that bumped the.
So,
that was
Colonel,
bumped
you're
the
saying that
time, Your Honor.
with all of these resources